You guys, we're going to Knoxberry Farm today. Are you excited, Selena? Yeah! Are you really excited? Hi guys!
Hi guys!
My name is Chauntel from Chauntel.com. These are my two girls, Selena and Eden. I am a Christian mom and wife and a relationship expert. And I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives and healthy families. Welcome to our channel and we hope that you love the video. Eden.
Hi.
Hi. Are you eating your peanut butter and jelly sandwich? It's a cave, you guys. It's really cool. We're walking through here. The girls are kind of afraid though, but I think it's kind of cool. David tried to have Eden walk across like the water on the bridge and she was like, absolutely not. Selena and her neither, which I thought she would since she just had her first ride. She got on the airplane, which I was like, what? I didn't really think that she was gonna do it, but she was really excited. She even went and took a picture with Snoopy, so we thought like, oh, maybe she'd be too afraid to try these things, but she proved us wrong. So Eden is telling me about how she wants my necklace. This girl. Meanwhile, as a nursing mother, I had a thought. So it's so cute, you know, to see David, like he's so excited, such a proud daddy to get on the rides with his baby. I'm so excited for him. Say hi, Eden. We're chilling over here while David and Selena, yeah, they're getting on this one of these rides over here, and it's just so cute to see how excited they both are to be riding together. He's such a proud daddy. Such a proud daddy. So I have to say these lines are way better than Disneyland, but it's still hot out here. Where are the sunglasses when you need them, Eden? Sorry, we're dancing still. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She's learning how to do that. Show me your moves. Dance. Now you're going to be bashful. Can you clap your hands and leave? Oh, what, she wants some of my churro? It's good, huh? Selena, what are you drinking?
Drinking ice.
Iced tea. Oh, it's good, huh? Selena, where are we going? Yay! We're going on the train. Guys, look. We all made it on this one.
Look who's here for the Big Ol' Bonanza fishing trip. I see Peppermint Patty, Eudora, and is that Joseph? I hope he bags a big fish. Woodstock and his friends are really excited.
You see the roller coaster? So Eden is trying to eat everything off of the ground. And I brought her up here, which is really cool because look behind us. All kind of people walking around. She seems to be doing a little better while we're waiting for the balloon ride. I don't know if she's gonna be able to get on it or not because I don't know if she's gonna do it, but we're gonna give it a shot. What do you think? Yeah. Okay, we're getting ready to get on the balloon ride. Are you excited? Yeah?
Daddy wants to know, do you want the little
You
drink
ready to do it?
or the big
Yeah, all right. How do you know she's excited?
See it.
Yeah. Her face. Are you ready, Eden Grace? Are you excited too, Mama? Yeah. And the balloon. I'm excited. We're about to start. We're gonna go up, 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 and down. Yeah, I'm excited. You've been riding so many rides today. I'm so proud of you. Yeah. Oh no. We're going up. Yeah. Yay, here we go. It's like the teacup ride, but it's with the sombrero. It's pretty cool. I'm excited. It's like one of my favorite types of rides. You gonna turn? We're gonna turn? Oh, we're gonna turn. You gotta go the other way. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got one. I got you. We're holding Selena. She's riding the bunny, and Eden's getting tired. Oh, you like the bunny too? Lena's going up and down. Eden, hi Eden, you tired? Supreme Scream is one of my favorite rides, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us today. We're about to eat and chill out, and you guys should totally come to Knox if you're in Southern California, if you live here, or if you're just visiting. It's a great place. I'm actually really surprised. I didn't know that there was this much stuff for them to do. We just had so much fun today. And she agrees with me. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. What's your favorite thing to do here? And if you have kids, what's your favorite thing to do with your kids here? If you haven't been here, let us know that too. Okay? I know. All right, we'll see you guys soon.